Hi there. In this section I will teach you how to install Bootstrap on Angular 2 and up. Okay, so we will use a Visual Studio Code along with our project. So after you open the new project and you put it up in the air, you add a new terminal in order not to interrupt the server that it is up on the first terminal. Okay, this is the second terminal, and we will write this one in order to install the Bootstrap. Here it is. Won't install the Bootstrap. Okay, now let's see that this was installed. We go to Node Models, out of the SRC Node Models, and we go down to Bootstrap. Let's see, Bootstrap. This is the new library. It has another sub-library that is this, the CSS and the important files, Bootstrap CSS and the Bootstrap main CSS, so everything is intact. Now next step is to go to file that called Angular -CLI JSON. Let's see it. We close this and this for a while, and you go to file. Okay, the updated file on your recent Visual Studio Code versions is angular.json. Okay, you go to this file and you search by a Control F the styles. Here it is, and you should add this. Okay, this is your default styles of your project, and this one is the Bootstrap styles. Okay, you put this code in Node Models, the library, the main library. Okay, without dash or something like this. Node Models / Bootstrap /dist/css /bootstrap.css. Okay, and don't forget the colon, semicolon, and this will add you another styling files of Bootstrap CSS, in addition to your usual style CSS. Okay, this place, if you want to add files for styles, this is the place. Now after that, let's see an example for the code in a Bootstrap. Okay, I created some simple code of a Bootstrap. Let's see it. Here it is. Okay, let's see how it shows. Here it is, and the page source, and you could see a Bootstrap. Just a second. So I hope you find this useful, and feel free to leave me your comments and questions. See you next.